Welcome to a very spooky Kayley's kitchen. Today we're going to be making Halloween treats. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. You can change a normal PB and jelly sandwich by taking a cookie cutter, pretzels, and raisins. You can use peanut butter as glue. Voila! Now you have a peanut butter and jelly spider. If you like these projects, make sure to subscribe down below. Next, we're going to be making mummies out of a juice box. Glue two googly eyes onto your juice box. Now wrap your juice box with white tape. When you get to the eyes, tape right over the eyes. Now you have a mummy juice box. Next, we're going to be making witch's brooms. We're going to be using Reese's peanut butter cups and a pretzel. All you need to do is stick the pretzel into the Reese's peanut butter cup, and there you have your little witch's broom. Now we're making Frankenstein pudding cups. All you need is a cup, vanilla pudding, and green food coloring. Draw a Frankenstein face on your cup. When you're making pudding, add the food coloring to your milk. Now pour your pudding into your cups. Now we're going to make mini pumpkins out of tiny oranges. All you'll need is oranges and rope candy. Bananas can turn easily into ghosts. All you need is bananas, chocolate chips, or raisins. Check out our awesome creations. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. I never knew monsters could taste so good.